G'day, g'day. It's Dom here from onlineautoparts.com with an AU at the end. Now, this is a CJ Lancer, which seems to be the cool kid car of the year for like the past 2-3 years. Anyway, in my opinion, this is the only modification that you should do to a Lancer. All right, so now that everyone in the Lancer community officially hates me, fantastic, we'll open up this glove box. Right. Cool, owner's manual, who needs that? Golf ball. So as we can see here, we've got that little shock absorber of joy, which is what allows us to get that nice smooth opening close function. To get this off, pretty much grab it from behind, pop it that way, and she's out. To get the glove box out, grab it from either side, use some muscles, squeeze, fantastic, that comes out. If it goes all the way down, look at that, comes out, brilliant. Now, if you do try and want to get it back in, it's not going to go this way. It's going to want to go the way it came out, so like that, and then like that, and that's up. But bugger off, we need you out now. All right, so coming in, as we can see, we've got the wonderful filter assembly and the blower motor below it. Now, for this to come undone, as you can see, there's a funky little clip in there. For that to work, essentially, you just need to come in, grab the pin at the side and pull it out, which is fun to do. And then simply, once that's unclipped, take off your cover. There's our wonderful filter that's been in there previously. There's some foliage I can see coming out. We've got a twiggy. Now, as you can see, as I'm holding it, I can see on this one, we have got our little arrow there that's pointing downwards. So we need to make sure we install our filter the same way. Right, so now that you have your new filter, you're gonna wanna chuck it in. Obviously, don't chuck it in. I mean, if you can make that, fucking let me know. But essentially, you're gonna wanna grab your filter. Remember that little arrow we were talking about before? Yep, she's still there. We still want her facing in the downwards direction. And then essentially, you're gonna wanna put it in this way, which I know doesn't make much sense, but essentially you want your arrow facing you, and when you hold the filter up towards you, you want them to be vertical lines, not horizontal lines. Otherwise, you're gonna be wondering, why doesn't it fit? So take it like that, grab it, slide her into the slot, push it all the way back, and then put the door on. Can't forget the bloody door. So yeah, as you can see, it's all sitting in there very nicely. And then you just want to take each side. Yeah, that's great. Forgive me for making this harder than it actually is. It's literally just line it up, push on one side, push on the other side. All right, so if we have a look here, we can see that is our little shock absorber for the glove box open and close soft actionness. If you do knock this off, it's not gonna have far to drop. It's just gonna be in by the fuse panel there. But yeah, essentially for reinstallation, you sort of just go like that, you go like that, and you pop it back on from whence it came, preferably like that, so you can just easily grab it for the next steps. Now, when you put the glove box in, pop the bottom in, remember, fully open, pull it up, and essentially grab the shock damper. That's probably what it's properly called. Clip it in, close. And with that, guess what? It's job done. All right, cheers for watching, legends. If you want to yell at me for how useless I am, feel free to do it in the comments. If you've got another video idea that you want to see made, you can also pop that in the comments as well. If you want to go watch another video, click in that general direction. If you want to subscribe, click over there. And of course, if you need a part for your car or four-wheel drive, don't click anywhere on this video. Just go to onlineautoparts.com with an AU at the end. Catch up.